Hello everyone, welcome to Intellify. Today we are going to see about forests and wildlife. It's a topic from Sustainable Management of Natural Resources from Class 10 Science. What is meant by forest? There are over 800 definitions of forest that are used around the world, and it is not necessary that an area has to be populated with trees for it to be deemed as a forest. Forests are the natural habitat of large-scale wildlife, growth of trees, shrubs, and different variety of plants, which unfortunately are dwindling every year. Actually, forests are hubs of biodiversity. Hence, conservation of forests is an important responsibility that all of us have to undertake. Almost 31% of Earth's land surface is covered by forests. According to 2015 report, 23% of India's land cover consists of the forest region. Trees and plants in the forest are an integral part of the ecosystem. It sustains life on the planet, provides clean air and shelter. Also, forests help conserve biodiversity. Forests provide many resources such as food, medicine, fabric, and raw materials. Apart from keeping a check on the global temperature, forests also contribute towards preventing soil from being eroded and shelters more than 80% of the animal species and biodiversity. They also aid in improving the socio-economic aspects of a country. Now, what is meant by wildlife? Wildlife refers to the animal species that are not domesticated. So, any living organism that lives in the forest region is associated with wildlife. It is found in almost all ecosystems such as rainforests, boreal forests, plains, grassland, deserts, etc. Wildlife provides great stability to our environment, wherein they are involved in natural processes either directly or indirectly. Each living organism is placed in the food chain and is equally important. They may be a producer, a consumer, or a decomposer. All these are interlinked and depend on each other for their survival. Conservation of forests. Conservation of forests is the practice of planting more trees and maintaining the forest areas for sustainability for future generations. As we know, the forest cover is dwindling every year. It's replenising at an alarming rate. So it is a need of the day to conserve the forests. How can we do that? We can do that by following the following steps, like regulating deforestation. Reforestation has to be regulated in order to conserve forests. More number of trees should be planted, and less number of trees should be cut down. Restricting forest fires for commercial use of land. Afforestation measures, prevention of exploitation of forestry, protection of existing forest cover from diseases. How can we conserve wildlife? Wildlife are important for their medicinal values. It also keeps our environment healthy, and wildlife is important to maintain ecological balance. As we know, most of the wildlife species are of huge economical importance, and those help preserve biodiversity. They also help in increasing soil fertility, like microorganisms in wildlife take part in nitrogen fixation, thus bringing about an increase in levels in soil fertility. Thank you everyone. We'll see about remaining topics in next videos.